Okay. Ethan. Hi, Ethan. What you doing, little guy? Huh? What you doing? Whoa. Okay. What the? You're gonna climb up, you're climbing up my clothes now? You're just gonna jump on me? Just a free jump and land right and stick into me with your nails? Huh? Is that how you do that? Brock. Hey, Brock. Brock. I see you. Yes, I know. You're right here. I see you. Come on. Okay, come here. There you go. Hey, no growling. What? What? You guys are wild. Yes, you guys are wild. Hey, hey, what the heck is going on over here? Huh? Who told you to climb on my neck? What's that all about? Come on, get down. Come on. What are you doing up there? What are you guys doing up there? Huh? What are you guys doing? Huh? What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing to me? Ugh. Okay.